Hello and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are the top stories of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the nation on the 77th Independence Day. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma unfurls the tricolour in Shillong on the occasion of Independence Day. Independence Day celebrated with pomp and gaiety in Jawai, Nongstoin and Tura. And a 100-metre-long tricolour march was taken out in Shillong on the 77th Independence Day. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India has democracy and diversity, and this Triveni has the potential to make every dream of India come true. Addressing the nation from the ramparts of the Red Fort on the 77th Independence Day on August 15th, Modi said India has an opportunity during the first year of Amrit Kal to dedicate the lives and work towards scripting the next 1,000 years. He said India's rise and development has resulted in renewed global confidence in the country. The Prime Minister also said that the country stands with Manipur. He added that peace is slowly returning to the region, while mentioning that the path for solution in Manipur will be found through peace.
हमें इन तीन बुराइयों के खिलाफ पूरे सामर्थ्य के साथ लड़ना है। भ्रष्टाचार, परिवारवाद, तुष्टीकरण, ये चुनौतियां हमारे ये ऐसी चीजें पनपी है जो हमारे देश के लोगों का जो आकांक्षा है उसका दमन करती है। हमारे देश के कुछ लोगों के पास जो छोटा मोटा सामर्थ्य है उसका शोषण करती है। ये ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हमारे लोगों की आशा आकांक्षाओं को सवाल या निशान में गाड़ देती है।
Along with the rest of the country, the 77th Independence Day was celebrated in Shillong with pomp and gaiety. The official function was held at Polo Grounds, where Chief Minister Conrad Sangma hoisted the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute of the 18 parade contingents comprising of the BSF, CRPF, MLP, Tripura State Rifles and several schools. Speaking on the occasion, Conrad Sangma highlighted the various development work undertaken by his government, while adding several steps are on to take Meghalaya to the path of development. The Chief Minister also handed over the Arts and Craft Villages Award, besides presenting state literary awards to late Reverend Dr. Yarlington Kharkongor and late B.S. Bangshal. On the occasion, prizes were distributed to the winners of the March Past who took part in the Independence Day celebration.
Battalion is the Tripura State Rifles, being led by Subedar Pranjit Devarma.
These initiatives cover and include procurement of agricultural vehicles, including mini trucks and reefer vans, tourism vehicles, including caravans and luxury cars, electric cars and minibuses, construction of warehouses, community common facility centers, green tourism villas, building of polyhouses for horticulture, and even setting up of piggery, poultry, goatery and dairy units. Under the CM Elevate program, subsidy will also be provided for projects like construction of cinema halls, health clubs, music studios, sports and youth engagement related businesses.
Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan today hosted a program at home in Raj Bhavan on the occasion of Independence Day 2023. Dignitaries including Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court, Justice Sanjeev Banerjee, personnel and officers from the Army, Navy, paramilitary forces and Meghalaya Police were also present. Various officials and legislators also attended the program. Artists including singers enthralled the audience present there. Meanwhile, different schools and government offices in Shillong also unfurled the national flag in their offices today morning. Joining the rest of the country, West Jaintia Hills District today celebrated the 77th Independence Day with great joy and enthusiasm. In July, Deputy Chief Minister Sneaw Balang Dhar hoisted the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute of the 29 contingents. Addressing the citizens, Deputy CM Sneaw Balang highlighted the developments of the state and extended his warm greetings to all. He later distributed prizes to winners of the marching contingent. Meanwhile, in Longstoin, people from different walks of life witnessed Independence Day celebrations at St. Peter's High Secondary School playground. The celebrations kicked off with a grand flag hoisting ceremony where Paul Lingdo, Minister in charge of Arts and Tourism, unfurled the national flag. Other highlights of the day included cultural programs organized on the occasion. In Tura, the national flag was hoisted by the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Thomas A. Sangma.
Of our history, as India assumes the G20 presidency, our country is poised to provide leadership to the community of G20 nations. This presents an unprecedented opportunity for us to forge new partnerships in the fields of development, sustainability, and climate resilience.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Monday inaugurated the Prime Hub R and Pineapple Processing Unit at Umdihar in Ribhoi District in the presence of MLA Dr. Celestine Lingdo and MDC Magdalene Maulong. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, in his address at the inauguration ceremony, emphasized the strategic importance of nurturing entrepreneurship at various levels. Speaking of Umdihar's strategic location, he said that Umdihar's proximity to markets, connectivity through nearby railway station, and being a gateway to the rest of the country from the state would act as an economic powerhouse waiting to be unlocked. The Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad today took out a 100-meter long tricolour march on the occasion of Independence Day. The event was participated by students from different schools and colleges. The yatra started from the additional Secretariat parking lot and concluded after passing through different localities.
Vande, 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 Vande.
And now for a quick look at the weather report. The maximum temperature was 24.4 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 17.2 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity remained at 88% in the morning and evening. The forecast tells us moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. Now let's take a quick look at today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses the nation on the 77th Independence Day. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma unfurls the tricolour in Shillong on the occasion of Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated with pomp and gaiety in Jawai, Longstoin and Tura. 100-meter long tricolour march taken out in Shillong on the 77th Independence Day. That's all the news we have today. Thank you for watching.